What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another little car meet here. We got all the SCs back here. We're at Cars and Coffee here on Saturday morning at Detail Garage, North Austin, the Round Rock area. We're gonna go check out some cool cars, and we're gonna get some beautiful shots of all the SCs that showed up today. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Let's go. You're watching Tater Nader, Accelerate with Faith, entertaining automotive content. If you enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the action. Let's go. All right, guys, we got to do a vibe check. All the buddies here in the North Austin area having a great time. I'm going to give this little meet a 8.3. Great little meet here in North Austin at Detail Garage. Come check it out if you're in the area. Hope you guys enjoyed some of the cool cars and enjoyed 3 SCs here at one meet. I loved it. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Consider subscribing if you like the content, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what kind of car content you want to see next. So we're super excited about the new merch launch. You can see, looks great. There's gold watches, there's floor mats, there's shirts, hats, all kinds of stuff. All right, there's some of our new designs laid out real nice. You got the keychain, a couple of the shirts. All right, and then Carolyn's wearing the lady shirt. She's modeling it. I got her one. All of these designs come in ladies cuts. She's looking good in the Tater Nader shirt there.
It's very nice.
Is it nice? Good material?
It feels nice. It's light.
And I'm here sporting the hat and the SC300 tee right there. You can get these in every single color: blue, green, white, pink. You can get it in long sleeve, short sleeve, hoodies.
Yeah, fall's coming up.
Thanks for supporting. There'll be a link down below where you can go straight to Zazzle to order from them. Really premium packaging. Everything is really, really nice. It came in about a week. Zazzle handles everything super professional. fantastic, great customer service. So we're really excited about that. Let's go.